Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha Khapare and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. In this channel you will get to learn all about Tally, accounting, GST and taxation. You will also get in-depth knowledge of Tally ERP 9 with GST to meet the accounting requirements of the industry. We not only teach the concept but also help you learn how you can practically implement those concepts in your day-to-day accounting process with practical examples and entries in Tally. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Now let's start with our today's topic. Now today's topic, I have compiled some questions, that is Tally interview question for freshers. Those who are applying for the job and those who are freshers, they are applying for the first time. For those, is just a revision or it's the Tally interview questions which they will be facing most probably. Okay. Now before we start, I just want to tell you that what is the scope of Tally. Now many students ask me, please explain us what is the scope of Tally. Now Tally accounting software has been highly used for monetary control, invoicing, reporting and sales management. Globally, many firms have adopted Tally accounting software as a part of their financial management system. Tally software has been updated according to the current requirements. You can update Tally as per your company requirements, or you can also customize Tally as per your company requirements. Again, many students ask me, is Tally course easy? So I would like to say yes, Tally is very easy to learn. It is not at all hard to learn. It's very easy to learn even if you did your education in commerce stream, or if you are non-commerce stream, it's also easy for them also. Any course with your interest is simple to learn and easy to understand. So nowadays Tally ERP 9 is very valuable because many firms just implement Tally software for their accounting purpose. Now who can do Tally course? Again, I get many questions that we are from non-commerce stream or we are BSc student but still we are very much interested to do accounting. Then who can do this Tally course? So again, I would like to say that candidate must be 10+2 with qualified aggregate from a recognized college. Now why I'm stressing that it should be 10+2? Because the basic accounting knowledge you get only after studying your 11th and 12th standard. Many students after completing their 10th, they do their MS Office course as well as they also try to do the Tally accounting course. But it's not at all easy for them to complete their Tally software course because they don't know the basic rules of accounting. So in order to learn this Tally course, my personal opinion is that candidate must be 10+2. Again, the candidate must be having minimum knowledge about accounts. Though you're belonging from another stream like science or arts, but still basic accounts knowledge must be obtained by that particular candidate. Again, students who want to perform Tally course after the graduation must be from commerce background. Again, I would like to tell that non-commerce background can also learn Tally accounting software. It's really very user-friendly software and anyone can do this course. So any graduate and postgraduate are eligible for this course. Now let's start with our questions. Now just believe me that these questions can be used as a part of your revision if you are applying for interview, or even you can expect these questions for your interview also. If you are a fresher, then I must say that you should revise these questions once before applying for the interview. Okay, now let me tell you the first question. If the financial year from is 1st April 2019 and the books beginning from 1st January 2020, then what will be the closing date? I am repeating the question that financial year is starting from 1st April 2019. Of course, because financial year do start from 1st April and it ends on 31st March of next year. So, if the financial year is starting from 1st April 2019 and the books are beginning from, now books are beginning means your business is starting from 1st January 2020. Then what will be the closing date? So, I would like to tell you the answer that though you start your business from mid of the year or from next day of starting of the financial year, that is 2nd April, or just one day before of closing of the financial year, that is 30th March, still your closing date will be 31st March 2020. Alright? It will be 31st March 2020 only, because financial year is starting from 1st April, and of course the closing date of any business which is starting from mid of the financial year or any day of the financial year, its closing date will be 31st March 2020 only. Are you clear? Okay, now second question. To alter a master while making an entry or viewing a report. Okay, to alter a master while making an entry or viewing a report. So which key you have to press? So if you want to alter a master, master means if you want to change the group of the ledger or the name of the ledger while making an entry, or you want to view a report, then which key you should press? So to alter a master or view a master, always you should remember that you should use the key as Control plus Enter. Are you clear? Control plus Enter. If you press that key on coming on a particular ledger, then you would be able to alter that master, or you can view a report. My third question. We can change the company information from. So how can I change the company information? If I have created a company and now I want to change the information. Suppose I want to change the phone number, I want to change the mobile number or email ID or the website, anything. So if I want to change the company information, then which key I have to use? So you have to press Alt plus F3. That is, you have to go to company info. And after coming to company info, you have to press alter. After you press alter, then only you will get the alter screen and you would be able to change the information. Whatever information you want to change, you can change that particular information. So what will be my correct answer? It will be company info alter. Okay. Now next, if we purchase any fixed asset in credit, we can pass it from. If we purchase any fixed asset, though we are purchasing a fixed asset, but even the word is coming as purchase, it will be not a business purchase, it will be a fixed asset. And fixed asset, remember, fixed asset we purchase with the intention to use it more than 1 year. So if I purchase any fixed asset in credit, we can pass it from. Remember, you can pass it only from a journal mode. Are you clear? Because you have purchased it on credit basis. If you would have purchased it on cash basis, means you have made cash payment or bank payment, then you would have used the payment mode method. But now you are using it on credit. So you have to use journal mode. And my entry will be fixed asset account debit to party account. From whoever party I am purchasing, you have to credit that particular ledger. And that entry you have to pass it from journal mode. Are you clear? Next question. A ledger can't be deleted if it's carrying opening balance. Yes. If you try to delete any ledger and if it's carrying opening balance, then you wouldn't be able to delete that particular ledger. So my answer will be true. Yes, I can't delete a ledger if it is carrying a opening balance. Okay, now next question is dash key is used to print a report. Remember, for printing any report, my shortcut key will be Alt plus P. And how I will remember that? P stands for print. So it's very easy to remember. Alt plus P will be my shortcut key to print any report. Okay. Now next, in order to delete a voucher, press. Okay, again, like for print, P was the shortcut key. For delete, my shortcut key will be D. So I will be using Alt plus D. So I have to delete any voucher, any payment voucher, receipt voucher, purchase or sales or journal. I will be using my key as ALT+D. Okay, now next question is debit note is used for. Yes, debit note is used for if there will be purchase written. Now how I will remember this? Now purchase come on the debit side of any profit and loss account. So purchase written will be debit note. Remember, purchases comes on the debit side. So purchase written will be known as debit note. Sales come on credit side. So sales written will be known as credit note. Clear? Now next question, multiple ledger creation is possible in Tally? Yes, it's possible. True. Now how multiple ledger creation? Like if you're creating a ledger, the step is you go to accounts info, then ledger and then create. So on that create, you get two options. One is the single ledger creation and another is multiple ledger creation. So multiple ledger creation is possible while making entries in Tally. So my answer again over here will be true. Multiple ledger creation is possible in Tally. Next question. To define a ledger, it is mandatory to maintain any ledger you are creating. You can alias it, or you can put opening balances, you can put group or none of the above. But remember one thing, without group you can't proceed. There can be opening balance or that there can't be opening balance. Anyhow, alias is also optional, but compulsory is group. So my answer is group. To define a ledger, it is mandatory to maintain group. Next question. What is the shortcut key to select a company? So shortcut key to select a company is F1. A very easy option. F1 is the shortcut key. If you press the F1, you will get companies which you have created, and amongst them you can select your company which you want to work on. Next is F6 used for purchase voucher? No, it's false. For purchase voucher, your shortcut key is F9. F6 is for receipt. So for purchase voucher, it is F9. And so my answer is false. Next question. In Tally, what is the shortcut key to change the date of a transaction? Okay, in Tally, what is the shortcut key to change the date of a transaction? So to change the date or to alter the date, always remember that you have to press the key as F2. F2 is the shortcut key. If you press F2, the window of date will appear. So you can enter the date or you can alter the date. Next question, again ALT+D is used too. So we have studied this question in earlier, but it was asked vice versa. To delete any voucher, what is the shortcut key? Now I am asking you the shortcut key ALT+D is used for. So my answer will remain as delete any voucher. So ALT+D, D, remember, delete. So it will be easy to remember. My next question. The number of predefined ledgers in Tally are? Yes. Predefined ledgers means the ledgers which are already defined or which are already created in Tally. So the correct option over here is 2. You will always see after creating a company there are only 2 ledgers which are already created. One is the cash and another is profit and loss account, because only these 2 ledgers will be used by each and every businesses which is using Tally software or which is having accounting. So cash can't be changed, profit and loss can't be changed. So Tally has already predefined 2 ledgers. So which are they? One is cash and another is profit and loss account. So the option over here is 2. Next question is, which is not the default group in Tally? Yes, Tally has given us group, primary groups as well as subgroups. So which is not the default group in Tally? I will read out the options over here. Suspense account, outstanding expense, sales account, investment. So Tally has not given us one option of group, that is outstanding expenses, which we can create. In my next coming video, I will explain you that how to create groups under Tally. So suspense account Tally has given us, sales account has given, and investment has also been given to us by Tally. So which is not the default group in Tally? So correct answer is outstanding expenses. Next question. To view the bank reconciliation report, we have to press. Yeah, many students don't know that what is the reconciliation. They just know that you have to pass the correct entries after referring your bank passbook or your bank statement, and that balances or that amounts or that entries should match with your books of account. So, but after creating those entries and after matching the balance, again one key you have to use. And if you are following the mercantile system of accounting, then this key is very useful for bank reconciliation, and that key is F5. Again, in my coming video, I will explain you that how F5 key is used for bank reconciliation. But for now, just remember, to view the bank reconciliation report, we have to press F5. Next question, in Tally, while creating a company, we can select a. Yeah, while creating a company, you can select state, country, both of the above, none of the above. So yeah, I am having the option to select my state. Even I am having the option to select my country. After country, I am able to select the state. So my correct answer will be both of the above. Next question. Through dash option, we can modify the ledger. Yeah. If I want to modify a ledger, means I have to change the name of that particular ledger or I have to change the group of that ledger, then which method I have to follow? So you have to press the key as alter. Only under alter option you would be able to modify a ledger, because display option is only to view the ledger, how the group has been defined to that particular ledger. But under alter, you will get the option to edit that voucher or to edit that ledger. So alter is my correct answer. My next question, Tally shortcut for debit note and credit note. Yeah, I have already explained you that what is debit note and what is credit note. If you are having purchase return is known as debit note, and if you are having sales return is also known as credit note. Purchase comes under debit side, so purchase return is known as debit note, just to remember. And sales comes on credit side, so sales return is known as credit note. Now what is the shortcut key? Again, I will just tell you the shortcut. For purchase, I use the key as, for purchase, what is my key? I think it will be F9. Yeah, if I am not wrong. For purchase, it is F9. And for sales, it is F8. For creating a purchase voucher, I am using the key as F9. Or for creating sales, I am using the key as 8. So what will be my shortcut key for debit note and credit note? So you just have to use control. If you use control F9, it will be your debit note, and if you use control F8, it will be your credit note. Are you clear? Debit note, purchase return, F9. Just you have to put control. Credit note, sales return, F8. Just you have to put control. So my correct option will be control F9 and control F8. Tally shortcut for debit note and credit note. Yeah, it will be control F9 and control F8. My last question. Which shortcut is used for calculator in Tally? Yes, for calculator in Tally. I told you two shortcuts over here to remember. One was print. P stands for print. Another was for delete. D stands for delete. So for P, print, I will use ALT+P. For delete, I will use ALT+D. And for calculator, what I will use? So you have to use, calculator means calculation of numbers. So you have to remember N. So control plus N will be my shortcut key for using calculator in Tally. Are you clear? Calculator means calculation of numbers. So this N I will be using, and Control plus N is my shortcut key for using calculator in Tally. Okay, are you clear? So these was 25 questions which is most probably asked in interview questions if you are a fresher and you are going for a job of accountant, and there the customer is using Tally software, then you can expect these 25 questions. Among these 25 questions you can expect any question which will be asked for your interview. Again, I will be preparing more videos for freshers as well as senior accountants, that what type of questions they will get amongst Tally also and amongst accounting also. I would like to make more such videos for your information. Thank you for watching these video. My name Neha Khapare and the name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.